Bengali Saree. Tuck the non-pallu end of the saree on the right side and bring it around the waist from backside towards the front left. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Now make the pleats for the pallu and put it over the left shoulder. Make sure the pallu is longer from backside. Now for waist pleats, first fold the saree in a broad pleat about the size of the midrib of the person. Hold this or tuck the pleats in. Repeat the same steps 2 to 3 times again. Tuck this neatly on the waist. Now finish the pallu part. Secure this with a pin. Hold the end of the pallu from back. Bring it on the right shoulder from back to front towards the back shoulder again and fix it with a pin or hang a nice keychain on that. Lastly, hold the left frontal part of pallu, take it to the back across and secure it with a pin.